sectors now that I have had.
Kithiorore kiria kirigiceirie urigiti wa arutani riria mathie kwamukira utungata wa urigiti kiaya kwibiriria na one thutha wa komishoni ya kwandika arutani TSC kwira kamiti ya bunge ya kithomo ni irabatara kuongererwo kigina gia ciringi bilioni 1.4 cia urigiti wa arutani kugerera SHA na kwaga uguo arutani gukinyiria mweri wa 6 matigakorwo makiamukira urigiti uyu.
Under SHA, the budget requirement for 7 months medical cover for teachers with SHA is 8.9 billion. The Commission was allowed to access 7 billion under Article 2 to 3, and the allocation in supplementary budget is 7.5 billion. So that means there is an underfunding of 1.4 billion for the teachers' medical cover.
Ambunge magetindika TSC na ciuria mibango iria matanyite kubuthira kigina kiria marenda mongerero iguru ria ciringi bilioni 112 iria mabeto budget-ini ya mwaka wa kigina wa 2025-2026 mugite mbeca icio ikubuthika kuongerera namba ya arutani aruto kana interns na kugacirithia mibango ya commission.
The actual implication, can they explain? Without this funding, what's the actual implication? What does it mean to the teacher?
The teachers have been put on SHA. Can the commission tell us that these teachers will not be paying any money?
Looking at the arrangement, it is the hospitals that are the ones who are treating our teachers. So any underfunding means that towards May, June, we are likely to have some hospitals not being able to treat our teachers because they may not have received the necessary funding.
Agenda being meeting with the MDA.
Ibida-ini oreu, Ministry ya Ugiteri yugite yabereirie mwaka wa kigina na unyibu wa kigina kia besa itanyibeire ciringi bilioni 5 besa iria ciabatie ugutabania mibango ya ugiteri.
We began the budget cycle with a deficit of slightly more than 5 billion.
Nyancha researcher.
Gelibotera Inoro TV kuma bunge ya bururi county ya Nairobi jetago masi wadia wa Mureithi.
Good afternoon, my name is Nimrod Ochieng, Audio Officer.